A truck has veered out of control, killing 8 people and injuring 6 in northern China. Chinese state broadcaster CCTV showed surveillance footage of the truck careering through oncoming traffic and crashing into a nearby bus stop. The truck was carrying construction materials when its brakes failed just after reaching its destination. The injured, including the truck driver, were then rushed to a local hospital. Hospital staff said 2 of the injured were in a critical condition. Police are continuing to investigate the incident.